Welcome to IGT and Tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. I'm gonna be teaching you how to remove password and FRP in this phone. This phone is itel A18 model A512W. So we're gonna remove password and bypass FRP. First, we use volume down and power button, white a little bit, white, yes. Use power button to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, then scroll down to yes, yes. Then you have to white formatting data, white, formatting data, white, yes, data wipe complete. Then restart or reboot. Next, you see there, that is FRP, factory reset protection. Then we gonna connect Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, don't worry, just use hotspot from another phone. Then we're gonna connect Wi-Fi here. That's my Wi-Fi. Let me connect. Connect. It seems network is very slow. Back. Limited connection. So we have to connect again or wait for Wi-Fi internet. Go back. Next. So networks, just wait for networks. Go back. Next. Skip. You see network is now full. Share. Neighbor. Need help sharing. Need help sharing. Yes. Then 3 dots. Then share article. Google. Without account. Down. Okay. So right here, VN loom bypass. VN loom bypass. Like this. Then search. Yes, click on it. Scroll down, settings. It seems settings not working. Remember this phone is Android 12, so is secure. Back here, use there, click here, open settings. Then scroll down to accessibility. Accessibility, yes. Okay, to know that options, we shall need it. Then back here, assistance, open setting again. Scroll down to app, All application is not working in this device. As I told you, is secure. Android 12. You see, nothing happened. Go back to battery. Scroll down to battery usage. What here? Android system. Stop it. Even here, not working. So let's go back. Let's go back. No solution here. Go back. Assistance. Open Chrome. Open Chrome. Okay. Wow, good. It's is opened. Use it without account. Then write VLOOM bypass again. VLOOM bypass. Yes. Scroll down and choose here to call. Open calling. See here? Delete. Then write star. Yes. You see, we are in debug mode. That's good. So open your laptop, your PC with these tools. If you don't have these tools, just feel free to ask you. Check the link under the video description. Then connect USB. Allow debugging mode. Then reset FRP ADB. Just wait for connection. Let's kit and upright again star H85H. Yes. Debugging mode again. Then go up to reset FRP ADB. Wait for preloader. Then here reset FRP ADB. Click on it. This is first method. Then we're gonna do, that is the first step. Then we're gonna do second step. You see here? Yes, that is like a preparation. So to remove FRP very well, we're gonna use the second option. Meaning always you will use these two options. See? Then scroll down. As you see, we are connected very well. Then scroll down here to reset face pin lock ADB. Click on it. You see? Okay. That is the last step. Yes. Then what? Yes. Don't turn off phone. Just leave it. It will do it itself. Restart. It will restart itself. As you see it. Wow. Is rebooting itself. So wait. Don't touch anything here, just wait, give it a time. Wait. It is not allowed to do this method to others' phone, just your phone or client mobile phone. So do it careful. In same country is not allowed. So we have to wait. Wait. This is powerful software. You can get it on our website www.igttechcollege.com. Then you visit the software. You see? Wow, successful. FRP removed, successful. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and remember to check the link and the video description about software which we have. You can get any software which will help you in your occupation. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on notification bell. then you will be notified when your video are uploaded. Thank you.